This is what I'm making, 6 timber leaves, curved. This is American white ash, and the project is an exotic base for a glass top dining table, and I'll show you the former I've made to produce this and how I've done it. This is a set of boards on the former, clamped and glued. When I release from the clamp, the board will spring back slightly, but this is allowed for in the radius of the former. The board is made up of 12 pieces, 6mm thick, 95mm wide. On my first clamping I used 12 boards in one go, which was harder to press down, and also the finished result wasn't quite perfect. So subsequently I clamped 2 layers at a time, and then the top layer the next day. I've used PVA glue. That gives me a bit extra time to play with, to set the boards in the right positions. I thought about polyurethane glue, but that's a faster setting time and it would cause me problems, so I stuck with the PVA. The PVA being wet, it can cause warping problems. I noticed as I've been working on the project, so I put these battens across and these wedges just to hold down these centres, because 1 or 2 times they started curling in the centre. I put screws around the edges outside of the pattern, again to pull down the boards, squeeze them together, get more compression and better gluing effects around the sides of the finished product. Well, that's basically it. This is a table base, stringer joining the 2 ends together. These have been cut out of 2 foot by 12 inch wide by 2 inch deep white ash blocks. This is going to be cut out for the next stage. Next stage, just roughly cut out. That's the pattern of the leaf design, which will be cut out of inch timber and glued onto the stringer, as you'll see later. Cutting cardboard patterns for the timber blocks to strengthen the legs at the bottom. This is the base finished with a few coats of tung oil.